Hello student, in this video I'm going to explain the tricks to find the log and anti-log without using the log table. Especially these tricks that will be helps in the competitive exams like KCET, NEET and also the JEE exam. So let me remember the sum does the values of the log. Okay, so no need to remember the value from 1 to 100, only you have to remember the log value of 1 to 10. So we know that log 1 value is the 0, log 2 you have to remember this value. Okay, I'll take the approximation value, that is the 0.30. For the log 3 we are having a 0.48. Log 4 the value is 0.60. Log 5 you have to remember the value, that is 0.70. Log 6, so we are having 0.78. Log 7 it is 0.85, and the log 8 is 0.90. Again the log, that is the 9, the value you have to remember 0.95. I think you're familiar about the log 10. The log 10 value is the 1. Okay, and also you have to remember the equations. The simple equations here. Log A into B, so which is equal to log A plus log B. Similarly, log A by B, which is equal to log A minus log B. And again, if I take the one more, this is the equation, is the log A power x, which is equal to x into log A. So only we have to remember this one. Okay, only you have to remember this concept here. Okay, that means you have to remember the value from log 1 to the log 10 and this equation, and rest of the log, this is the terms, that becomes the very easy. Okay, let me solve the questions one by one. Just take the first one here. I'm going to take the one value here. So let me take this one here, the first one. I want to calculate the which is the log 32, but in the competitive exam they're not going to give the log value here. Okay, so now just identify this one here. So this log 32, so in the simple expression term we can write it as a log 2 power 5, because if you take the 2 power 5, the value becomes the 32. Okay, and now this log 2 power 5 is nothing but you just identify this one, this expression here, that is the log A power x, which is equal to what, x into log A. The same way here what you have tried, this is the 5 into log 2. So in the particular the table we know that the log 2 value is which one, that is the 0.30, hence log 32 value is 1.5. So this is this value you have to remember. From the log 1 to log 10, if you know the value, we can easily calculate, hence the log 32 value is the 1.5. Okay, so let me take the one more example here. See the next one here. Suppose if I take the second one, that is the log, this one, that's the 1024. Okay, so try to write in the smaller, this is the expression terms here. Here we are going to have the 2 power 10, similar to the previous one here. I'm going to write this is the 10 into log 2, 10 into log 2. So we know the value of the log 2. The log 2 value is the 0.30, and the value that becomes the 3.01. Okay, so this is the value here. Okay, so let me go to the next one here. The next one, suppose if they given like this. Okay, say for example, if the log value is like this, log 3.2. so this, the log 3.2, I can write it as 32 divided by the 10 is nothing but the 3.2. so this expression I can write it as log 32 minus the log 10. So we know the log 32 value in the previous one we got the log 32 value, in the previous one we got the 1.5 minus log 10 value is the 1. Okay, hence so we got the value of 0.5. so this is the value of log 3.2. Okay, so let me solve the next questions here. So that means suppose if you have the different number here, just go to this one here. So let me take the next one here. So you may get the values in the exam, maybe like this, log 6.783. So let me consider this is the value. Just identify this value. This 6.7, which lies between the 6 to the which is the 7. That means I'm going to write the log 6. This lies between the log 6 to the log 7. Okay, I'm going to write it in this one here, the log 7. Okay, so we know the value of the log 6. The log 6 value is 0.78. The log 7 value is 0.85. Okay, if you take the middle of this one, if I take the middle of this one, what is the middle of this value is what? Log 6.5. You just identify, you just take the mean of this one. I'm going to take the approximation value, that is the 0.82. Just identify this one. You just identify this one. So this is the 6.783. This is the 6.783, which is greater than the which is the log 6.5. Hence the value that will be lies between the 0.8 to the 0.85. That means you just identify this one. This is the 0.7, and what about here we are angle the 6.5. This is the 6.7. Here we are angle 6.5. Hence I can take the approximation value of 0.83. Okay, hence the log of this value that becomes which is the 0.83. So in this the particular tricks, we are not going to calculate exact, but we are going to achieve to the very this is close to the particular the value. Okay, so hence the log 6.783, the value is 0.83. Okay, let me go for the next one here. The next one, I'll take the other value here. Just go to this one here. I'm going to take the value of log 9342. That means you may get like this. Okay, so now I'm going to write it in the which that is the scientific notation here. This value I can write it as log 9.342 into 10 to the power of 3. So this can be written as log 10 to the power of 3 plus log 9.342. So log 10 to the power of 3 value is what? The 3. So we don't know what is the value of this one. You just identify this one here. So this particular the value that lies between the log 9 and the log 10. Okay, let me write this one here. This is the the log 9, and here it is the the log 10. So here I'm taking the middle of this one, that is the log 9.5. Okay, just go to this one. What is the value of the log 5? Sorry, log 9. We are having 0.95. The log 10 value is what? The 1. Okay, just go to this one. This is the 9.3. That means here we are having a which is the 9.5. I'll take the average of this one. That is the 975. 0.975. So here we are having 9.3. That means they lies between the which is the 0.95 to the 0.975. Okay, I'm going to take it is almost near to the which is the 5. Hence I'm going to take it the value of 0.97. Okay, hence here I'm going to write the 0.97, and the final value for this one 3 plus this value. Okay, so 3 plus this value I'm going to write 3 point, that is the 97. The value for log 9.342 into 10 to the power of 3 is what? 3.97. Okay, so let me solve the some more this is what the problems here. Okay, just go to this one. Suppose again if I take like this, consider we are having this one. Okay, I'm going to have the value log 7.87 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Suppose if you have like this. Okay, again we have to write the particular the term here, that is the log 10 to the power of minus 7 plus log 7.87. Okay, this value I can write it as a which one? The minus 7. I don't know the value of this one. Okay, let me take the this one here. So this lies between the log 7 and the log 8. Okay, just I'll take the this is the middle one here. This is the log 7.5. We know the value of the log 7. The log 7 value is, okay, just go to this one here. This is the 0.85, and the log 8 is the 0.90. If you take the average of this one, that is the 0.875. But see this value, the 7.8. The 7.8 is almost near to the 8. Hence I am going to take the value of 0.89. Okay, so here I'm going to write the 0.89. Okay, see the what this value. So the minus 7 plus 0.89, the value that becomes the minus 6.11. Okay, this is the what the value for the log 7.87 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Okay, so this the particular what the value you have to remember. So that means whatever the value we are going to get, it is approximation value. It is very close to the what the particular what the true value. I mean the actual value. Okay, so now in the next one, okay, I'm going to explain the what the tricks to find the which in the anti-log. Okay, see this one. Now I'm going to explain the what the tricks for the calculating the anti-log. So without using the log table, the only the thing what you have to remember is just remember this one here. This is for the first decimal. Okay, so during the word the particular word the example you come to know. Okay, just go this one. The 0.1 value you have to remember, that is the word the 1.26. This is for the first decimal. And again we are adding a 2 into 0.1, that value we have to remember is the 1.58. And this is the word the point, this is for the first decimal. Okay, so this table we have to remember. This one, this is for the first decimal. If it is for the second decimal, if the value that lies between 0 to 2, we have to remember this value 1.05. The second decimal, if the value that lies between the 3 to 5, you have to remember this value, that's 1.10. If it is 6 to 7, the value is 1.15. If it is 8 to 9, you have to remember this value, that is 1.20. So this table we have to remember. Okay, only the what the few things here. Okay, so no need of remembering what the entire this what the value, only this one here. If it is for the first decimal, the 0.1, what is the value is the 0.1 value is what the 1.26. 2 into 0.1, okay, or the 0.2 we can take, that is what the 1.58. 0.3 value is what the 2. And if it is for the second decimal, which is lies between 0 to 2, we have to take this value. If it is 3 to 5, we have to take this value. Okay, so let me solve the first one here. Okay, I'm going to solve here. See the first one here. I want to calculate the anti-log of 7.2414. Okay, if it is just, if you have like this, so take the what the 3 digits. Okay, forget about this one, or I'll round off the what the particular value to the what the 3 decimal here. Okay, just go to this one here. Okay, now see the first one here. Okay, see the first one here. So this value I can write it as 7 plus 0.24. This value I can write it as a 7 plus 0.24. Okay, so this value, if you have the what the 7, so directly I can write it as a 10 to the power of 7. So this one further I am going to split. So this one I am going to write it in this form, 0.2 plus 0.04. 0.04. Okay, so what is the value of 0.2? You just go this one. What is the value of 0.2? We are having 1.58. Okay, see the what the second decimals, especially the after the what the particular the what the digit, we are in the, just go to this one. This is the second decimals here. Just go to this one here. So the value that lies between the what the 3 to 5, what is the value we are having? That is the what the, this value is nothing but 1.10, because this 4 will be lies between the what the 3 to 5. The value what you have to take 1.10. Okay, then multiply the what the entire thing here. So 10 to the power of 7 into 1.58 into 1.10, and finally we are going to get, if you multiply this one, the value that becomes the 1.738 into 10 to the power of 7. Okay, so this is the what the anti-log value for 7.2414. Okay, if we that means whatever the value we are going to get, that means it will be which is the what the 0.4% error, only the 0.4. You just remember the 0.4. Okay, it is almost the what this value is near to the what the true value. Okay, so let me erase, and I'm going to this one. Okay, just I'm going to take the one more value here. Okay, just go to this one here. Okay, so I'm going to take the next one here. That's the anti-log of. Okay, sometimes you may get the different value here. Okay, just go to this one here. So I'm going to take the anti-log of. Okay, so I'm going to take the anti-log of. So this will be the second one, anti-log of 8.52. Just go to this one. So 8.52, this can be written as 8 plus 0.52. So 8 directly we can write as a 10 to the power of 8. Suppose how do you split this one? So you just identify the word the greater. Okay, that means I'm going to write it, this value is what, 0.3 plus zero point 0.2. So 0.3 plus 0.2, that becomes 0.5. See the other, this next one here, this one I can write it as 0.02. Okay, so just take the value. What is the value of 0.3? The 0.3 value is the what, the 2. 0.2, that is this one, the value is 1.58. So what is the, you just go to the what, the second decimal here, this is what, the 2, that means it is a 0 to 2. That value what you have to take is what, 1.05. You just multiply the what, the entire thing. We are having 10 to the power of 8 into 2 into 1.58 into 1.05. If you do the what, the calculations here, that means forget about this one. If you do the multiply this one, here we are going to get 3.318 into 10 to the power of 8. So this is the what, the value what we are going to get for the what, the antilog of this value. Okay, so this is the what, the particular value you have to remember. Okay, if this is the for the first decimal, this is the for the which in the second decimal. Okay, you just identify this value, and the rest of the what, the antilog value we can easily calculate. Okay, let me solve the what, the negative value. So that becomes the what, in most of the case they are going to have the what, the negative values. Okay, just go to this one here. So now I'm going to take the value here, that is the minus 3.84. So what is the antilog value of, that is the minus 3 point, okay, that is the minus 3.84. okay, just go to this one. So how to calculate if you have the negative value? So I'm going to solve the third one. Okay, the third example here, that is the which one? So minus 3.84. okay, see this one. So we don't have the negative value in the the antilog. So convert the negative value into the positive value by add 1 and subtract 1. I'm going to subtract 1, I'm going to add 1. That means this 3, and this the particular the 0.84, I'm going to write it in this form. That is the minus 0.84. Just identify this one. So these two comes together to form the the minus 4, and 1 minus 0.84 we are going to have 0.16. So this one I can write it as 10 to the power of minus 4. Now see this one. So how we are going to write? This is the what, the 0.1 plus 0.06. okay, so what is 0.1 value we are having? You just go to this one. 0.1 value we are having 1.26. 0.06, that means that will be lies between the 6 to the 7. That means the 6 to 7, the value is 1.15. So again you have to multiply the rest of the thing, that is a 10 to the power of minus 4 into 1.26 into 1.15. Now see the value here. That means if you multiply the 1.26 into 1.15, the value you are going to get is 1.449 into 10 to the power of minus 4. okay, this is the value what you are going to get for antilog of minus 3.84. okay, so these value, if you remember, you can calculate the whatever the antilog value it may be. okay, so let me take the one more example. okay, so let me take the one more example. okay, so I'm just I'm going to erase this one. See this one. So now I'm going to take the 4.84, the positive value. I think you're familiar about how to identify the negative value here. okay, so now I'm going to take the which is the positive, the one more example here. This is the 4.84. okay, see this one. okay, the next one is the 4.84, antilog of 4.84. okay, I think we can easily calculate here. This becomes the 4, and here I'm going to write the which is the 0.84. okay, so this one what you can write it here, 10 to the power of 4, and here it is 0.8 we are having. So just go to this one, 0.3 plus 0.3. don't take it as a 0.4 because we don't have the 0.4. we are having 0.1, 0.2, and also the 0.4. okay, 0.3 plus 0.3, that becomes 0.6. again we request the 0.2. okay, so this becomes which in the 0.8. what is the last one we are having? Plus 0.04. okay, so what is the value of 0.3? 2. what is the value of the 0.3? again it is a 2. again the 0.2, that value that becomes the 1.58. see the 4 that lies between 3 to 5, hence I'm going to take it as a which one, the 1.10. okay, just go to this one. Now finally we have to multiply the all the values here. 10 to the power of 4 into 2 into 2 into 1.58 into 1.10. Okay, so now if we just multiply these value, and here we are going to get 6.952 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay, so this is the anti-log value for 4 point, that is the 8 okay. So this is if you remember the particular value, you can calculate the whatever the value of the anti-log it may be, isn't it? Okay, I hope you understand this concept here. Okay, so just subscribe the channel for the latest updates here. Okay, and good luck for your competitive exam. Thank you.